Hi all, another power bank. This is maybe my 2221 power bank. I have a lot of them. Anyway, I bought all in my money, so nothing is sponsored. I check it myself with my own thoughts and everything. Okay, so this one is Ugreen. It came with, you see, a cable, so you can like hang it, and this is also a charging Type-C cable. There is an LCD showing now 100%, and there is a bar here that you can open. Probably they done it in order to use it like catching your phone. You can put your phone here, so it will eventually put your phone like this during the charge. I think that they meant to do this. There is also another Type-C instead of using this cable, so basically you have two outputs and you can simultaneously use both of them. And another thing, I think that this is also automatic. We will now check it, which means it is used also to charge and discharge. It is 100%, so it will be hard to check it during charge because I charge it. But yeah, I plug it to the phone, and yeah, it is now charging. You can see my phone is charging, so eventually it is working. Another feature here that I showed you at the beginning, that the cable is plugged here. So you have a tab, so you press it a little and it is now, you see, it's strong, and you have a cap to protect the cable itself. That's all very simple design. About the capacity of this one, I'm not sure it is written. I will tell you what is written. So this is 5000 milliamp hour capacity. It's not a very big one, but it can charge your phone from empty one time without any issue. That's all, very small. Ugreen usually is a good company. Nothing else. So thank you and bye.